limit extending to 1 minus greatest integer of 1 minus x plus x minus 1 is given. Limit h tending to 0, we write 1 minus h plus 1 minus h minus 1. What we get? Limit h tending to 0, we get greatest integer of h plus greatest integer of minus h. So what is greatest integer? Nearest integer towards left on a number line. So best method to explain is nearest integer towards left. So whenever you are talking about minus h means what? Negative decimal. Negative decimal, and this is positive decimal. This is positive decimal and this is negative decimal. So what we get? Greatest integer of positive decimal will give you 0. This will give 0 minus 1. Finally minus 1. I'll explain you. Greatest integer of minus 0.0001 will give you how much? Minus 1. Greatest integer of 0.0001 will give you 0. So we got left hand limit is equal to minus 1. Let us calculate right hand limit. So limit x tending to 1 plus greatest integer of x minus 1 plus greatest integer of 1 minus x. Again, same way, limit h tending to 0, we get 1 plus h minus 1. So 1 minus 1 plus h. So limit h tending to 0, we get greatest integer of h plus greatest integer of minus h. Similarly, we'll get as minus 1. So what we observe? Left hand limit is equal to right hand limit. Let us calculate the value of the function. F of 1 equal greatest integer of 1 minus 1 plus greatest integer of 1 minus 1, which gives you 0. So it is not equal to f of 1. So this type of discontinuity is called removable discontinuity. Okay, so what is removable discontinuity? Where left hand limit equal right hand limit but not equal to value the function, then we say removable discontinuity. Why so? If we define f of 1 equal to minus 1, the function becomes continuous. So I repeat once again, left hand limit is also we got minus 1. Right hand limit is also we got minus 1, but value the function is equal to 0. I repeat once again, what is greatest integer of x? F of x equal to greatest integer of x is given to you. Suppose we take 1.001, greatest integer of 1.001 is 1. Greatest integer of minus 1.001 will give you how much? Minus 2. Nearest integer towards left.